Ahlan wa sahlan and welcome to Edupedia World Videos, Elementary Arabic, with your instructor, Laura Al-Albani. In this video, we'll learn the numbers from 10 to 100, counting by 10. This is part 1, Learning Objectives. By the conclusion of this video, the student will be able to 1. Count from 10 to 100 by tens, and 2. Write the numbers from 10 to 100 by tens. Let's begin with a review of the numbers from 0 to 10. Listen and repeat after me. We'll start with 0. صفر واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة. Now let's continue with the numbers from 11 to 20. Again, listen and repeat after me. أحد عشر اثنا عشر ثلاثة عشر أربعة عشر خمسة عشر ستة عشر سبعة عشر ثمانية عشر تسعة عشر عشرون. Now we'll begin with the new material. I'd like you to get your notebook and pencil and write down each new number. We'll start with 10. You should already know this one. 10 is ashara. Ashara. Right? Ashara. If you want to say 20, you say ishrun. Ishrun. Right? Ishrun. Ishrun means 20. For 30, we say thalathun. Thalathun. Right? Thalathun. 40 is arbaun. Arbaun. Right? 40. Arbaun. To say 50, we say khamsun. Khamsun. Right? 50. Khamsun. If we want to say 60 in Arabic, we say sittun. Sittun. Write the number sittun, 60. The Arabic word for 70 is sab'un. Sab'un. Write sab'un. Sab'un means 70. 80 is thamanun. Thamanun. Write thamanun. Thamanun means 80. 90 is tis'un. Tis'un. Write tis'un. Tis'un means 90. If we want to say 100 in Arabic, we say mi'a. Mi'a. Write mi'a. Mi'a means 100. Now let's try to count together from 10 to 100. I'll say the number, and I want you to repeat it after me. Ashara. Ishrun. Thalathun. Arbaun. Khamsun. Sittun. Sab'un. Thamanun. Tis'un. Mi'a. Let's try it again. We're counting from 10 to 100 by tens. Ashara. Ishrun. Thalathun. Arbaun. Khamsun. Sittun. Sab'un. Thamanun. Tis'un. Mi'a. And once more. Ashara. Ishrun. Thalathun. Arbaun. Khamsun. Sittun. Sab'un. ثمانون تسعون مئة. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. مع السلامة.